Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the best Underglow kits for your car. Whether you want to stand out at night or add a touch of personalization, we have got the top picks for you. From easy installation to vibrant LED colors, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your white shine. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more automotive tips and reviews. At the first position of our list, we have the Nilight RGB LED ROCCS Underglow Lights Kit. Designed for versatility and performance, this kit offers a stunning array of vibrant colors to make your car stand out. The robust LED lights are housed in durable waterproof aluminum casing, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. Featuring an easy-to-use app control, you can effortlessly switch between multiple colors and lighting modes, including flash, fade, and music sync. The Nilight RGB LED ROCCS Lights Kit is not only about aesthetics but also about effectiveness. The powerful LEDs provide bright, consistent illumination that enhances night driving safety and vehicle aesthetics. Installation is straightforward with the included mounting hardware and instructions, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. The Nilight RGB LED ROCCS lights are built to last with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours thanks to their high-quality construction and advanced heat dissipation technology. Upgrade your vehicle's look with the Nilight RGB LED ROCCS Underglow Lights Kit, perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. Experience unmatched design, top-notch features, and unbeatable durability that make this kit a must-have for any automotive enthusiast.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have OPT7 Aura Pro Aluminum Underglow Kit. Designed to impress with its sleek aesthetics and powerful functionality, crafted from premium aluminum, these underglow lights not only enhance your vehicle's style but also offer exceptional durability and resistance to weather elements. The OPT7 Aura Pro features advanced color customization through its smartphone app, allowing you to effortlessly change colors, patterns, and brightness levels to suit your mood or environment. With multiple modes including fade, strobe, and music sync, you can sync your lights to your favorite tunes for a dynamic visual experience. Installation is user-friendly with the included mounting hardware and detailed instructions, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The kit's robust construction ensures it withstands the vices of daily driving, promising longevity and reliability whether your adventures take you. Experience unparalleled illumination with OPT7 Aura Pro's bright LEDs designed to enhance visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Perfect for cars, trucks, and RVs, the OPT7 Aura Pro Aluminum Underglow Kit combines cutting-edge design, innovative features, and rugged durability to transform your vehicle into a true showpiece on the road. Next up, number 3, we have the Xprite RGBW LED ROCCS Lights Kit, a cutting-edge underglow solution designed to elevate both style and functionality. Crafted for durability and aesthetics, these lights are built to withstand the elements with their rugged aluminum housing and waterproof construction, ensuring reliability in any weather condition. The Xprite RGBW LED ROCCS lights offer an extensive color palette and dynamic lighting effects controlled conveniently via a smartphone app. With options for solid colors, strobe modes, and music synchronization, you can personalize your vehicle's ambience effortlessly. Installation is simplified with included hardware and a straightforward setup process, creating to DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. These lights not only enhance your vehicle's exterior but also improve nighttime visibility and safety with their powerful illumination. Backed by Xprite's commitment to quality, the RGBW LED ROCCS lights boost longevity and performance, making them ideal for cars, trucks, and off-road vehicles. Whether you are looking to add flair to your ride or increase visibility on nighttime adventures, the Xprite RGBW LED ROCCS lights kit delivers unmatched versatility, durability, and style. The number 4 position is held by Wanmin Multicolor Music Underglow Lighting Kits. Designed to provide vibrant colors and dynamic lighting effects to your car or truck. Crafted with style and durability in mind, these lights feature high-quality materials and waterproof construction, ensuring they withstand various weather conditions and provide long-lasting performance. Controlled effortlessly via a wireless remote or smartphone app, the Wanmin Underglow lighting kits offer multiple color options and modes, including music synchronization for an immersive driving experience. Whether you are cruising through city streets or exploring off-road trails, these lights not only enhance your vehicle's exterior but also improve visibility at night. Installation is straightforward with included mounting hardware and detailed instructions suitable for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The Wanmin Underglow lighting kits are designed to be user-friendly while delivering powerful illumination and customizable lighting effects. Backed by Wanmin's commitment to quality and innovation, these kits promise reliability and effectiveness, making them a perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's aesthetics and functionality. The number 5 position is dominated by Ampere Waterproof LED Neon Underglow Light. Designed for both aesthetics and durability, these lights are crafted from high-quality materials and boast a waterproof rating, ensuring they withstand various weather conditions and provide reliable performance. The Ampere LED Neon Underglow light features a flexible neon tube design that contours to your vehicle's curves, enhancing its sleek appearance. Available in multiple colors, these lights offer versatile customization options to suit your personal style. Installation is hassle-free with adhesive tape and zip ties included in the kit, making it suitable for DIY installation on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Once installed, these lights provide effective underglow illumination, enhancing visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Backed by Ampere's reputation for quality, the LED Neon Underglow light promises long-lasting durability and energy efficiency. Whether you are looking to enhance your vehicle's exterior appeal or improve nighttime visibility, the Ampere Waterproof LED Neon Underglow light is an excellent choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking a reliable and stylish lighting solution. Next up at number 6, we have LEDGlow Multicolor Underglow XN Lighting Kit, designed to deliver stunning visual effects and superior functionality. Crafted with durability in mind, these lights feature high-impact acrylic tubes and waterproof construction, ensuring reliance against various weather conditions for long-lasting performance. The LEDGlow Multicolor Underglow Kit offers extensive customization options with its wireless remote control, allowing you to choose from a spectrum of vibrant colors and lighting patterns. Whether you prefer solid colors, strobing effects, or music synchronization, these lights provide a dynamic enhancement to your vehicle's exterior. Installation is straightforward with included mounting hardware and instructions catering to DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Once installed, the lights provide effective underglow illumination that not only elevates your vehicle's aesthetics but also enhances visibility during nighttime driving. Backed by LEDGlow's reputation for quality and innovation, this Underglow kit combines style, effectiveness, and durability, making it an ideal choice for automotive enthusiasts seeking to personalize their ride. Illuminate your journey with LEDGlow Multicolor Underglow XN Lighting Kit and discover a new level of customization and visual appeal for your vehicle. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 7, we have the ROCCS 8-port RGB LED Underbody Glow Light Lamp, a premium underglow lighting solution that combines style, functionality, and durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, these lights are designed to withstand the elements with their waterproof construction, ensuring reliable performance in diverse weather conditions. The ROCCS 8-port RGB LED Underbody Glow Light Lamp offers vibrant RGB colors and dynamic lighting effects controlled via a user-friendly remote or smartphone app. Whether you prefer a steady glow or pulsating patterns synced to music, this kit allows for effortless customization to suit your mood or style. Installation is simplified with mounting brackets and wiring harness included, making it accessible for DIY installation on cars, trucks, and SUVs. Once installed, these lights provide effective underbody illumination, enhancing your vehicle's visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Backed by ROCCS' commitment to quality and innovation, the RGB LED Underbody Glow Light Lamp promises durability and energy efficiency, ensuring a long lifespan. Perfect for automotive enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's exterior appeal, the ROCCS 8-port RGB LED Underbody Glow Light Lamp offers a perfect blend of style and performance. Thanks for watching our review of the best Underglow kits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest content. Leave a comment below on which Underglow kit you like the most, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.